Irene.
All right, let's get it on.
Okay. It's gotta go. You want to hear the song?
Yeah, the whole thing. Let's hear it.
Last Saturday night I got married. Me and my wife settled down. Now me and my wife were parting. I'm gonna take a little stroll downtown. Irene, good night, Irene. Irene, good night. Good night, Irene, good night, Irene. I'll see you in my dreams. Rambling, stop your rambling. Stop staying out late at night. Go home to your wife and your family and sit by the fireside bright. Irene, good night, Irene. Irene, good night. Good night, Irene, good night, Irene. I'll see you in my dreams.
Yeah.
That was really good.
Now that's the song.
So that's the song everybody's singing about the hurricane?
Huh?
That's the hurricane song?
I don't know, but you'd have to look. You look on, see when it was put out.